Chapter 11. My mother. Q. Write the meanings of the following words. 1. Special, not ordinary. 2. Bless, to ask God to protect. 3. Gem, a precious stone. 4. Wonderful, very nice or amazing. 5. Precious, rare and valuable. 6. Dear, loved and respected. 7. Looks after, takes care of. 8. Caring, kind and helpful. 9. Always, at all times. 10. Ways, different methods or forms. B. Answer the following questions. 1. Did your mother ever stop loving you? Answer: No, my mother never stops loving me. 2. Why is the mother special? Answer: Mother is special because she always loves and cares for us. 3. Do you love your mother? Answer: Yes, I love my mother very much. 4. What is mother compared to? Answer: Mother is compared to a precious gem. Grammar Zone. A. Change the following sentences into negative and interrogative. 1. The sun gives us heat and light. Answer: Negative. The sun does not give us heat and light. Interrogative. Does the sun give us heat and light? 2. The soldiers are coward. Answer: Negative. The soldiers are not coward. Interrogative. Are the soldiers coward? 3. The doctor killed the patient. Answer: Negative. The doctor did not kill the patient. Interrogative. Did the doctor kill the patient? 4. The clock strikes 10. Interrogative. Does the clock strike 10? 5. Indian team won the match. Answer: Negative. Indian team did not win the match. Interrogative. Did Indian team win the match? C. Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. In, on, to, from, at. 1. Where are you coming from? 2. Whom are you talking to? 3. Who is at the door? 4. Whose books are kept on the table? 5. Which toys are in your bag? A. Write the opposite meanings of the following words. Special, stop, happy, love. More, never. Answer: Special, ordinary. stop, start. Happy, sad. Love, hate. More, less. Never, always.